Kusia House of Folks board chairman.
You know the scaffold meeting, ba.
Yeah. Simple a good sign for let's say friendly nature. It's a good sign for say and now for Fabi a back of the corner house in term because whether you like it or not,
sure.
Many teams I can see me near Ghana.
Okay.
But simple meeting, I'll say a year the resource. So meetings really cost. I think the meeting will be started a bra. Minka will be a buy in your poly frame. Emma, and aprinka. The day management or money. His majesty to be afraid. I think the house full na sanguta hundie no. Emma krata be a boom Kotoko ne house. Eko GF hone ade. But I knew a Ibiana as a so try.
Yeah, poly film no.
Yeah. Nice, so try who. Actually, it could do it or more the be Christ and never be better to honor, but simple. Uncle Sishe. With this second meeting, so I'm just hoping say a name of Mukojun Honor as Kotoko and has a Subaba and Faswama both clubs.
Okay,
and you say be a comma be a say be a Wikochawi, but me friend comma simple. A didn't web Kotoko and has because they are dying gents. Omoya akasefo simple move. And they will need a reviver because simple say Kotoko has a revival simple Ghana football no simple look at the numbers but they are two dying giants.
Yeah,
because right now when more ya simple and yet akesefo ne ye na omo ye no and you ma simple you name the big clubs I will be asim ha no and then we are na yehu Kotoko ne ha so mo ye
omunye dia kesefo ye.
No, for now that is what I'm saying. I'm seeing it because simple for almost like 4 or 5 years now. Bibian what Messi Kotoko ne has in terms of titles and simple share two great teams here as we speak now. Sane man course more months me anye league trophies no and titles no simple and only ade are still a good so a ekoso has template simple edaho in races na template no kofa no ma be implemented that template no na almost support the next one near we season no ma sa go back to template no. In simple, there is nothing going on as simple new. Me say tell a the stories, no. Okay, Kotoko ne has and as a Kotoko and Yama Bessa. So, we are nice to Kotoko. Also, on my container project, no. Fine, it will be idea, it will be vision. So be a person finishing container project. I think it's a board, no, the new then board, no. A movie some person finishing container project, no.
Okay.
But I think it's a more younger project, AG project, then near blocks dying.
So.
But maybe I'm here be the time being no here baby for the time being being a structure be the technical director and coach ni be maybe after this one maybe they'll go to the main project.
Sure.
Because we temporary we for the den management I do we a temporary for temporary use and yes be for a lifetime for Kotoko a temporary we may have tempted to believe is a temporary but simple Sane ma we na sponsorship na telling us sponsors the chairman so na simple it boils down to resource.
Sure. And one here
chairman so born homoden oko original tour and that's no so could do UK is an excellent job now and I say a good coordination now say or link up all the supporters union but simple so we say na ma rain na simple ene man koso Kotoko ene man koso ha sa simple inkosi aga
yeah results ne dini mo no
and I say Kotoko start the pre-season no but we say I say man for I say bibi fufu bi na esi simple say Kotoko ba pa jo na say na say bibi no mo ye different na first time we kwa onye broni we South African first time South Africa broni bi and South African na ba Ghana be coach na chese bibi sana no simple there is nothing new. There is nothing new I saw Asante Kotoko. And I be before see simple one me hu ya na. Wo hu be before be ayesi.
Debi.
Because I say the year Sterling can say when I say ni ma bi besisi but enema no as you speak be am esi na me hu ye. So omuye prison or pajo no and I say simple. Almost signings and I said the day na say Asante Kotoko. And mame enema na me I say because social media people are making it look like say enema is a simple ha say me come tinkler and Stanley Menzo this morning how I want to tell them this small message this team no mold in a simple Mr. Stanley Menzo
okay
and Mr. Tinkler these two teams or this Asante Kotoko team, it's a great team. It's a very great team. Simple. But what I want to tell them this morning is they shouldn't condone to any mediocrity, any substandards. Simple. It's a message to the two technical heads.
Okay.
What I want to tell them is those people you are laughing with now. Should we start this league?
Yeah.
I'm telling you that this Ghana Premier League, should we start and you don't achieve your results, you'll be kicked out.
I'm telling
them this morning. There's a message. This is not for. That's why I'm using. That's a result now, That is the point.
Okay.
I just want to tell them. I'm just being straight. I'm just being honest. Maybe ever since you came, no one has been honest to you guys. Don't condone to any mediocrity. No substandard players. Go for your targets. Tell them the level they want the club to reach that height. That height, you need the best players in the country or across Africa. Because I fear them saying we want to conquer Africa. And simple, if you want to conquer Africa, it's not this justify your inclusive players. And I'm telling you, after 5 or 6 games, Mr. Stanley Menzo, Mr. Tinkler, if you don't even get your results after 5 games in this Ghana Premier League, trust me, these people will kick you out.
Okay.
Because the pressure will come from the supporters. This team belongs to the supporters, I'm telling you. So go for the players you need. Give them the budget. Buy the top players if you want to conquer Africa. Don't lie to yourselves. And I'm being honest to you this morning. You can ask the previous coaches. Ask the previous coaches who came. They'll be laughing with you, dining with you like this. But if you don't achieve the result or get the results when the league starts, trust me, you will be kicked out.
Okay.
So simple. A message for Stanley Menzo.
Okay.
Any Tinkler. And simple, I'm going to the Kotoko board. Simple, the Kotoko has like say
Sika.
Say what man to top quality player simple forget the fans no. That's how they more no be able to.
And that was cancelled the assault targets here. Yeah.
Simple fans are on board no. Board they no why.
Yes, who say is Kenny?
No, board they no why. Stanley Menzo any Tinkler no do about and then the fans no. What is so exceptional? What is new? I don't board the fans. They don't know my.
When the massa say baby. They don't know massa. So build technical team.
Technical team say
mood. So Tinkler Africa yi. Why have club competition about final ni ade.
Obo final ni. Ni mood say. Ti o bi musa na say be o ju ye no. Mu musa mu budget. no kasa obi adu final won budget Orlando Pirates we no budget Orlando Pirates need to play $50,000 Kotoko to play $50,000 mo fans Kotoko boy na my player no matter and I say can we for na do go justify mo think kasa we say we show na moto mo fans fans na mo de mo no you so fans are na why so obo Adako Jachie player do aboso so they should buy the talented players we dey na the top players no all very players no what na mo yi man na nchi so ma ana wo muti kro na wo so dey be na nchi akra no dey ka wo betua $100,000 wo betua
also be seen there nchi
what na mo fans right say so mo sia na
o be seen the technical team so announcement bi ama
say but when you say mo fans no dey na mo ye they haven't done anything a template they are preparing to fail so a good initiative I love say we cheer the supporters the skillful supporters okay now but simple amuna you a results
okay
Asante ko kwane has it's about results yen ye susana ye ni no simple ko kwane has e ye dey ni omo e results e ye bia every season me dey ma on really top players
sure
ko tie justify man say one more say and you third division for them they are blending senior team players and 30 players na wo Kotoko friends training ground so anyama here simple Kotoko team we can say talk on Ghana I'm telling you it's not true you know clear but police can only fast and fight what we fast no way Chem top player Kotoko sign every season Kotoko say big team to top player bia I think I'm a magician simple think you are a magician or not magician we Kotoko no try no player if you put on one magicians buy them the quality and then justify some of what one more Adako Jachie no multi can show no Pajo say and na say the video be too ya for video be sant too I lost the camera na say why no medium for you know on Obufaso team are really mo the players for ambulance team no na here you real team no you real coach we about simple on a magician I'm telling you we're a magician a quality now president mo Real Madrid Real Madrid players are want to talk who you the venture they want to go to that you say on person say claim Europe now who can players for back to back Real Madrid for better mom they will say what are these people doing okay you see a weakness that's simple you second come back to Europe and so all sign is simple you can't come back to Europe because all my players before here back to back let's have it 3 times many imagine league Ghana our quality players many of you ball every 12 matches simple me I said we league mo many more
yeah
or lose some key players
sure
and you know say my lose your friend say free tailor
yeah
on every league mo man where how to play so player HW or your national team in the blaster kwadi like say fan ko blaster
yeah
so free tailor kwadi you go play HW our Africa all what be the part was it for the same kwani mu jeju man ko Sudan national team our Sudan national team goalkeeper na ba kroma or number 10 or do so you have creativity
okay
if I go for Emmanuel Boateng so go for Emmanuel Boateng dia ba or ko friend say Karela or we defender Muhammad Yaya
yeah
or he say
super player
me defense one me here stability so we say go find one ba so we say team or good team simple obi no recruitment way what did you go or say recruitment way what about you can try to pictures have a good social media but say go from more fans and simple fans women there you like you show picture and his best to try for the try simple fans women there half the count mean to ya we more fans
no picture
simple idea mentia say people are giving us more fans and a picture simple has Adaka $100,000 after
yeah
I few days near August
not 1 year
you know say ba transfer ban August 12 or something
yeah by August last year
last year
yeah
no August you remember
you were about 1 year
the simple won't minka we na mama fans what is achieve but don't know what achieve so let's tell this because the truth who can pressure but say simple we Kotoko and I management that ba the way babu problem the way na eba head omo to omo ye say they will be I know say a talk of town na they will be Kotoko Simple. Is it the one to bring results? Player simple. It boils down to the pitch. I agree now. So also when I wear good market when I also wear them brands and you simple. It boils down to parking also. As we speak now, has Maulu Ayoko, Hamza Isako. Player in the house for a sign on. Has player in the house a sign. Has go to be department. As we speak now, so much you also call. And as we speak now, simple 7 players at house are Eto. Has is a resume. Has a resume. Also very justified.
Sure.
I'm also saying I bet trying to say a Cameroon a banner or a friend of a Kotoko and then I'm all Kakasa concept. I'm not sure. I'm also so much a party of office of me to Papa Duo. And then I'm your honor. Simple players of Kotoko. They will need quality best 6 or 5.
Okay.
Top one and that television for no. Okay. It will make kind of crunch almost say simple for them to say on glory days. I'm also Board+Tinkler say, oh now you want to go back to Africa. So what about Africa? How will you go to Africa? Also would you leave me from media man say? Also would you leave me from baby go stars and say? And so the media man who tell us Kotoko place. So one before apa. Just for myself. Obi ko ato chedobi.
Afei Emmanuel Boate.
But also no okwa outside and be na kwa wasaba.
Okay.
And so owo maturity akwa mortar akwa so otutu kwan no the stability number. And so no me feel no wasade chiro biasa la beka ho. Kono kwati ko ha no be justify say the Cameroon for say we say future stars players become bukan.
Yes even sufiro.
Ahwa na esa concept no kono.
Oh, concert no we no.
Na future stars. Na na we ko ni dia bossa.
Kumasi FM.
Shooting stars.
Omo hen. Omo shoot today. Then no simple people are joking. Tell them the truth.
104.1.
As a common and transfer, what do you kind of crunch there omo? Kotoko shooting stars. Omo division say no omo division say. Division
yeah.
On place justify Opajo. Diagro.
Say bia if he mentioned Tinkler because according to story Asante the bar last time or some be talented players. Nto mu hwehwema na mo peke talent no.
Shooting stars. Talented players. Asante Kotoko no eso Premier League aje akọ back to Africa. Eso or the shooting stars be talented players or shooting stars. No mo no. Shooting stars mo no. You board division no mo decide. Simple shooting stars mo decide. That no, simple o some kind of I don't like this attitude. I said, what do you kind of what is new? Chairman, I didn't new simple. Recruitment. Simple the big teams they buy the best players into which quality na simple one. You can't compete them. Has to ask for before man has to folk. So my best
yeah.
The contract I buy. As you see Mario you last is when I come top scorer also. As you see Hamza Isa on boy.
Hamza ko.
How many has replacement?
Ebinyamai.
Na picture cha.
No picture cha.
I don't know what to make. When you simple, tell them the truth. So when you money, when you $1,000 no. Then be I see I check. I check na bounce one na.
So check need.
What kind of house fancy Diablo. Tell you see for no so buy or buy or no so told fancy one or so more dey man. Why you buy or no so no more dine. No more dine. I also don't be so about what me I action man. I also see buy so share. To see an ajo. Kasa and so share kasa. Kasa ko press conference. Oh we need the money to more to metu. Sabu sia papa mo ko pema. What you na be dey no we. Pisa we dey no buy we. No we ga kasa. $1,000 a count. How to folk 1 year need to be here. What you want pictures? Assemble. Me say some days and man me say and then some people say picture to woman there. And you go say some play like you shop about charge my to that friend. But some people don't know picture. What is picture? $1,000. Can you and me say you has secretary chapter chairman. You see how why press conference. I can say about management no. And management me you know. a board ne yi nana a fans the yina na board ne yi no
o board
ne yi wa fans chama
chama you say supporters ne koto aba
so deal with the supporters or with the board because you win the action now who by all quiet has chapter chama has fans will be able to say $1 and penny phone to why do na only more dine or why your baba assemble some can we can show me I will tell you me catch all I will tell you this omu tia ka me picture twa me no fancy be home say has the call $10 only bankers has the bankers
o has will be
so $10 has why so ntimi nya guarantee nya bank money to access kan my headache ana mo ton ka na mo fans na you are and I'm back so Kotoko president
okay thank you very much Midase okay
but trophies and now some no go see players no players am go show no fine but some for some you post be to social media no be aso na koma na ase o
no crash area no crash
okay
so be about in the better interest of Asante Kotoko it is as IMC the kwa IMC no one enemies
yeah
say e akoda takwa michi say oni ho bi wa simple onye Kotoko enemy but I say say create enmity ma ye ho it was say we say ya you do shop financing for say as a revengeance simple revengeance asem you are the bring your so na this odi be Kotoko simple we support him no ababe Kotoko na brand and revengeance and ye way and na simple
no be na ko ba ya e ma supporters chairman no sa no ma we say agro yom di na bi na ma supporters chairman ko receive consent bi say
no appointment
yes sa ni si a me beto be sa wo me sa refer sa de no
what is this okay midamase yem fa news yo enchene yesa de exclusives no part 2 e bania say wrem e ko to do so akodi nkomo but president anopay e o say akodi nkomo